In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So firstly, open Chrome browser, then click these dots. Now click on YouTube. Now click on this channel icon, then YouTube Studio. Then you click on Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings. Then click on Remove YouTube Content, Sign in, then Next. Select I want to permanently delete my content. Check this box. Read all information, then click on Delete my content. Please confirm by typing in your email address. So you need to type your email address. Then click on Delete my content. Remove YouTube content. Your content is being deleted. That's it. Like this, you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. Thanks for watching.